doing good. And what about you?
Yes, I'm also fit as fiddle. Thank you for asking. Since very
So
long
this,
time we are connecting,
yes, please.
I'm saying that since very long time we are connecting.
Yes, it's been long time. And we don't want to do anything, just simply sit in AC and that's all.
Yeah, but
So,
in Delhi it's like a pleasant weather this time because in morning time it was heavily raining.
oh, that's great. Yeah, it too rained here, but now at this time, it is really very hot. So I just
Yeah.
prefer the audio call so that in which you should not get ready and in whatever condition you are, you can just attend that call and talk.
Okay. So if you
Yeah.
today what you want to discuss?
I thought we should discuss the simple present tense. It is very useful.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
while speaking also, we can make use of this tense. So let's discuss about the simple present tense.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, tell me, what do you know about simple present tense? And then I will tell you.
Yeah, as you know that simple present tense is very simple because if we like, yes,
Simple.
according to me, yes, it's simple according to me because we can easily find our sentences like in the end we find ta te ti, right? So it's like a simple present, and if we talk about like a simple sentences, we use like a singular sentence. In singular sentences we use s or es, and
Mhm.
another like a plural subject we don't use. Yeah, so
Yes,
in this way
right.
we can talk about in present simple tense.
Yes, simple present tense. And one more thing, that simple present tense, they are always used to express likes and dislikes, then habits, then universal truth, and
Yes,
the things which are permanent. And
and
whenever we talk
also
about our daily routine, at that
yes,
time,
yes,
use simple present tense. And when the action is not seen, like when I say that I make tea, so the
yes,
action is there that I am making a tea. But when I say that वह मुझे जानता है या वह मुझे पसंद करती है, in this sentence, action is not there. But still we can use simple present tense like I know him, yeah, she knows me, and I
hmm.
like her or she likes me.
I
So
see.
in this way, when the action is not visible at that time also, we can use simple present tense. And for telling the frequency also, like
Yeah,
she goes to school every day,
yeah,
right? Huh? And she
right.
always book a taxi to go to a picnic or to her office. She always. So
She
whenever we say, so frequencies, when we say never, it means 0% availability is there. When we say
yeah,
sometimes, then it is 10 to 20%. When we say rarely, it is
mhm.
25%. When we say often, it is 75%. And when we say always, it is almost 100%. That the
Yeah,
thing will be done. So these are some of the uses of simple present tense.
present tense. Yes,
So
right.
we will do a type of rapid fire. Like I will tell you a sentence in Hindi, you translate it in English, then you tell me in Hindi and I will translate in English.
Yes, sure. You
Okay.
can start.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
So in this way our session will become very nice.
yes,
So
yes.
yeah. हम्म, वह यहाँ रोज आता है.
He comes daily here.
He comes daily here, or you can say he comes here every day.
Yeah,
रोज. Visiting रोज.
yes.
सूर्य पूर्व से उगता है.
Okay, sun rises in the east.
Yes, because sun is a definite object, so we can put the before it. So the sun
Yes,
rises in the
yeah,
east. Yes.
yes.
On your turn. वह झूठ बोलती है.
She lies, she lies.
Only she lies. Uh, तुम अपनी गलती मानते हो?
मानते हो?
क्वेश्चन
Like,
है. हाँ. Yes.
yes, do you मानने?
Admit.
Oh
Do you
yeah,
admit?
right. I forgot. Yes, you admit your fault.
Do you admit your fault? This is the question. So,
Yeah,
do you
do
admit
you?
your fault? वह मुझे जानती है,
She knows me.
वह मुझे पसंद करता है.
Okay, he likes me.
He likes me. Okay. हरी हमेशा सच बोलता है.
Hari always says, truth.
Always tells truth. वह मुंबई में रहता है.
He lives in Mumbai.
This is a permanent thing. He lives in Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Right. So action is also done. Then तुम इस ड्रेस में बहुत सुंदर लगती हो.
Okay, you looks very beautiful in this dress.
Yes. ये कलर आपको सूट करता है.
This color suits you.
That suits you. दिल्ली जाने वाली ट्रेन प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 1 पर आती है.
Okay, so the train going, the train जाने वाली, like going ही use करेंगे ना, we use going. Yes, the train going to Delhi, departure.
Arrive.
आने वाली, yeah,
आती है.
You can speak.
Okay.
Speak.
The train going to Delhi arrives at platform number 1. Arrives
Okay.
at platform number 1. और यदि जाती है तो depart from platform number 1.
Yeah. Okay. Now next.
वह रोज 16 घंटे काम करती है.
Okay. She works more than 16 hours.
Every day. रोज.
Yeah, every day.
वह यहाँ आता है.
He comes here.
He comes here. वह यहाँ रोज आता है.
He comes every day.
He comes here every day.
Yeah, he comes here every day.
वह रोज आता है.
Yes.
वह चाय बनाती है.
Yeah, she prepares tea. Or she makes tea.
She makes. Then वह रोज सुबह 4 बजे उठती है.
She wakes up every day 4 o'clock.
So do you know there is a difference between wake up and get up?
Yes.
Wake up means when my husband says, "Come on, it's 5 o'clock." I said, "I wake up," but I didn't get up. I just open my eyes and I say, "Oh, मैं जाग रही हूँ." Then he says, "I know that you wake up, but why don't you get up?" So this is the difference between get up and wake up. हम यदि 5 बजे wake up, यदि हम 5 बजे हो रहे हैं तो 6 बजे तक get up होते हैं, right? ज़्यादातर तो more in winter season. In winter season it happens that we don't want to leave the bed, the cozy, the warm bed. It is very difficult. Yes. So yeah, so I wake up at 5 o'clock, or usually I wake up at 5 o'clock, or generally I wake up at 5 o'clock. No, it's not my habit, but yeah, I just try to wake up at. So usually, generally, these types of words we can. Okay.
Yes.
तो मेरी त्वचा ना विंटर सीजन में बहुत ड्राई हो जाती है.
In winter season, my skin becomes like a patchy.
हाँ, और ड्राई.
Or dry, yeah.
So my skin becomes dry in winter season.
Yeah.
Oh, who is he? Your son?
Yes, younger one.
Oh, he's too small, yaar. So how do you manage? Nowadays you are uploading one video, right?
Yes. Actually, I'm trying my level best.
You are doing good. You are doing good. You should do.
If I didn't make consistency, so sometime it happens I'm not able to speak. So that is why I try to do. At least if I'm not connecting with anyone, so I try to make, I try to talk myself, and then I record and then I upload.
That is good. That is good. And when you smile, it's look very beautiful. Your videos, I was just about to comment on your video that your smile is contagious. So keep smiling. Whenever you make video, you smile a lot. That is a good thing, because smiling faces, they are liked by everyone. Because the audience sometimes the audience may be sad or thinking something, and then suddenly your video pops up and you're smiling in that video. So it's a good practice.
Thank you for your compliment. I just get your this compliment. So now I'm feeling over the moon. You made my day.
Yes, you should. Yeah, I will comment also. I was about to comment, but because of some work, I think I just left it. Because I was generally, by 10, I'm going to school, then coming from there 5 o'clock. So it's a quite hectic day for me.
So today, do you know today is Guru Purnima? So what do you know about Guru Purnima? Because I have no knowledge about Guru Purnima. Little bit I know. So can you tell me about Guru Purnima?
Yeah, of course. This is a very auspicious day in our Hindu religion. That on this day we just worship our gurus, whoever gurus we are having in our life, and it is also said in our shastras that each one should need a guru. Otherwise, we will not get moksha. So to get moksha, do you know what is moksha?
Yes, I know.
Moksha means rebirth is not there. Once you left this world, you will remain in that paradise with all the devtas. है ना? So Guru Purnima, we pray to our gurus because guru is far more better or superior than God. So it is there is still some attention.
Yes,
Yeah, Guru Purnima is a day for gurus. We worship them because it is thought that God has created this world, but he is the one person. He is the responsible person who makes a human being behave human. Whenever there is some pravachan, so many people in lakhs and crores go there, and they present them whatever money they have. So it is the importance of Guru is very much in our country. This is the day we celebrate. So tomorrow when I will go to my school, there my students they will be waiting with that coconut and one garland, and they will present me. Yes, yes.
Yeah. And also when I was in school that time we also celebrated that time with our teachers. Yeah.
No problem. Our video is done. It is 14 minutes already. So we can
So
wrap.
you just make good video and you can upload.
Okay, keep smiling.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.